everyone, this is Jahin Hamim from Department of Accounting, University of Chittagong. I, along with my full team member, would like to discuss about 6 elements of organization structure. In our team, there is Abrar A Rahman, who will discuss about work specialization and departmentalization. Then Mehedi Hasan, who will discuss about chain of command and span of control. Then Sajjad Hossain, who will discuss about centralization and formalization. And finally, Saurav Rudra, who will discuss about mechanistic organization and organic organization. Now, I would like to discuss about organization structure briefly. Organization structure is the formal arrangement of job within an organization. How it is a system that outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve organizational goal. Now I request Abrar A Rahman to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Abrar A Rahman and I will discuss about work specialization and departmentalization. Work specialization means to break down a complex task into simple, repetitive tasks. For example, a car production company breaks down its production into engine production, painting, assembling, etc. By doing this, the worker does the same job repeatedly and becomes an expert in the field. The management also can assign skilled workers to challenging roles, and thus the performance of the organization will increase. But in recent studies, it is shown that after some time, due to stress and fatigue of the workers, performance decreases, and it can be overcome by giving the workers different types of works to do. Now, departmentalization. Departmentalization means to group common work activities together. There are mainly 5 forms of departmentalization. They are functional departmentalization, where departments are formed based on the functions. For example, human resource department, accounting department, marketing department, etc. When the departmentalization is done based on geographical location, then it is called geographical departmentalization. For example, northern headquarters, southern headquarters, etc. And where the departmentalization is formed based on the products, then it is called product departmentalization. The examples are logistics, supplies department, industrial equipment department, etc. The fourth one is process departmentalization, where the departments are formed based on the products. Examples are in textile industry, we see sewing department, dyeing department, etc. And the last one is customer departmentalization, where departments are formed based on the customers. The examples are retail departments, wholesale departments, etc. Now that's all about work specialization and departmentalization. Mehedi Hasan will tell about chain of command and span of control. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abrar A Rahman. Assalamu alaikum, this is Mehedi Hasan, and now I'm going to discuss about chain of command. What is chain of command? Chain of command is the formal line of authority and communication within an organization. The purpose of chain of command provide clarity who reports to whom and ensure accountability and facilitating decision-making process. A CEO or higher ranking officer are at the top of chain of command, and the employee who carry out day-to-day work are at the lowest level of the chain of command. Now, what is span of control? Span of control refers to the number of authority, number of subordinators that a manager can directly supervise. What is the purpose of a span of control? The purpose of a span of control is to ensure appropriate supervision and coordination. Span of control influence communication structure, communication flow, and decision-making speed. In conclusion, finding an appropriate chain of command and
Well, dear partner, for giving his outstanding speech about chain of command and span of control. Now I discuss about centralization and formalization of organizational design. Centralization means the degree to which decision take place at upper level of an organization. At the same time, decentralization means the degree to which decision take place at the lower level of an organization. An organization can never be completely centralized or decentralized. The another term, formalization, is the key dimension of organizational design. Formalization means the degree to create fixed rules or regulations dictate how employees should behave. Now I request to my fellow member Saurav Rudra, who will discuss about next topics of organizational design.
As you have already known about the universal organizational system, now I will discuss about the two most powerful organizational forms. Basic organizational designs are revolved around these two forms. The first one is legacy organization, which is basically a comparison of this universal organizational structure. It is an organizational design that is rigid, stable, and tightly controlled. In the span of control is at increasingly high level, which creates an increasingly tall and impersonal structure. Thus, the management imposes strict rules and regulations to better control the organization. And the other one is organic organization. It is a very loose flexible narrative rather than having standardized jobs and regulations. The organization's loose structures allows you to change it rapidly. Thus, average testable professionals who are technically proficient and trained to handle diverse problems. They need few formal rules and resource supervision. While there are no pure mechanistic or organic structure, the test shows that nowadays the companies or organizations are motivated established toward organic structure. While on tests shows the mechanistic or organic structure, there are some contingency factors which may affect his or her choices. Throughout the presentation, we try to make you better understand about the universe of an organization and how an organization can be formed. We hope that it will make it easier for you to understand organizational structure and its areas.